Here's the question, guys. How are you going to use the upcoming recession as a way to build wealth and not just be a victim of the recession? Because you want to take advantage of this upcoming recession to actually build wealth and make some money for yourself. In this quick video, I'm going to give you six things that you need to be doing to become rich or actually build some wealth during this upcoming recession. I want you to really pay close attention to number 5 and number 6. I think both of those are probably the biggest ways that you can build some wealth during this upcoming recession. Now, we know that the Federal Reserve will continue to raise rates through the next year. They've already said it. They won't be raising rates at the same pace that they had been, but interest rates are going to continue to go up. Inflation is already high, and it's going to continue to be higher than the Federal Reserve really wants it to be. So when things are going haywire, that's your opportunity to build some wealth. We also know that the job market is going to be a little bit suspect, and unemployment may increase. So when unemployment increases, again, more opportunities for you, because I want you to change your mindset, guys. I don't want you to be in the mindset that, oh, it's a recession coming. What am I going to do? Panic, panic, panic. Fear, fear. No, don't be in the panic mode. I want you to be in a position where you can begin to build when everybody else is panicking, which takes me to the very first thing that you should be doing. When this upcoming recession happens, guys, don't buy into the fear, right? Don't buy into the panic. Everyone around you is going to be scared and nervous and upset, and you're going to be watching CNN. There's going to be breaking news about the economy and how things are going terrible. I don't care if it's CNN or Fox or MSNBC, whatever you watch, the news is going to be pushing fear and panic. No, don't do it. Slow down, relax, don't buy into it. Maybe turn the news off if you have to. But steer clear of the scare tactics that you're going to see, that you're going to read about on social media. All of it is panic. Don't panic. Don't be nervous. Don't be scared. And don't make any sudden moves with your money. Just be sure to watch out for all this nervousness that you'll see. Stay focused on your goals and what you're trying to actually achieve with your money. Now, the second thing is you want to try to build up some cash, because during a recession, there's more and more opportunities for people with cash. Cash can be king during a recession, not to mention the fact that there may be some job loss. And so you want to have your money built up, money that you can get to in a hurry in case something goes wrong or you need some money in an emergency. And if that means delaying some of the large purchases that you're thinking about making, delay them. It may mean not taking that next trip. It may mean not getting that brand new car that you were thinking about. You want to be able to save up some of your money. The $500 or $600 payment that you were going to make towards that car, maybe you need to be saving that money in cash so that you can build up your emergency money, because you either want to use that money in case of an emergency or you want to use it to take advantage of some type of cash buy during the recession. Now, number 3, keep on investing. Keep dollar cost averaging and just keep investing whatever you're normally investing. If you want to up your investments during the recession, perfect. Because if you're buying things out of the stock market, you're buying things at a discount. Remember, we said that as the Federal Reserve continues to increase interest rates, it's going to make the stock market go down. And when the stock market goes down, that's when you can take advantage of the stock market. You can continue to buy and buy and buy and dollar cost average so that you're buying things at a discount. You're buying stocks, ETFs, index funds, mutual funds. You're buying them at a cheaper rate than really what their actual value is. And the beauty in buying cheaper stocks is that when things turn around and the stock market catches up like it's always done for the past 100 plus years, then guess what happens? You've got more stocks and you've got more mutual funds at a discounted price. So keep on dollar cost averaging through a recession. Keep on investing your money in the stock market through a recession. You don't have to change your normal investing strategy. Keep going. Keep doing what you've been doing. Now, I'm not telling you to have one stock and put all your money in one stock and put more of your money into one stock during a recession. I'm telling you to make sure you have good diversification where you're spread across 50 stocks or 100 stocks or 200 stocks or index funds or mutual funds, so you're well diversified. But the point here, guys, is keep on doing what you've been doing in terms of stock market investing. And please, whatever you do, resist the urge to sell low. Right? When the stock market goes down, everybody's panicking and you start selling, that's the absolute wrong time to sell. That's when you should be buying and buying more. Make sure during this recession that you do not sell low. It defeats the whole purpose of investing. You want to buy low, which buy low is going to happen during a recession. And then ultimately, when things turn around and everybody's feeling good and everything is back up to where it should be, then you can maybe sell. But don't sell low. Whatever you do, recession, invest. Recession, invest. Just keep that in your mind. 2 words. When it's a recession, you want to invest. Invest more. Or keep doing what you've been doing. Now, the 4th thing you want to do to beat the upcoming recession, get rich, get wealth during the recession, is you want to make sure you steer clear of the gurus. Steer clear of the people that you see on social media that are telling you that you can get rich quick, or telling you that you can do this right now and have $30,000 tomorrow, or you can do this today and in the next 6 months you can make $150,000. Stay away from those gurus that are selling you, because when everybody is panicking and in fear, there's no doubt going to be some gurus that are out there that are going to be telling you, hey, do this and you can avoid being hurt by the recession, or do this and you can definitely make money while everybody else is losing money. I'm not telling you that. I'm not that guru. What I'm telling you is basic financial advice. But what some people will try to do, they'll try to sell you snake oil during a recession because they know that you're scared. They know that you're in fear. They know that you're worried. They know what the news media is saying. They know what the social media is saying. So they'll try to swing in there and sell you something. Be very careful. It's nothing wrong with buying good advice. You always want to buy good advice, right? But be careful about the gurus that are out there that are selling you pie in the sky when everything around you looks scary. Just don't get caught up in that. Be very, very careful about that. Number 5 is my favorite. I told you to stick around for number 5 and 6. Number 5 is consider real estate. When things begin to go bad in the economy, consider, this is why you want to have some cash, consider real estate. Remember, guys, real estate prices are going to come down. They've been coming down, but they're going to come down even more as inventory of homes become more readily available. When inventory goes up, prices typically go down. So you're going to see more and more downtrend in terms of prices in housing. Consider buying yourself either a primary residence or rental real estate. The other thing to keep in mind is that as inventory increases, it's going to increase competition. And obviously we know that competition drives prices down even further. So real estate is a good recession-proof type of investment. Now, if you have rental real estate, it's really recession-proof because rental real estate is a hedge against inflation. When you own rentals, you can actually increase the prices of your rentals as inflation goes up. And not to mention that even in a recession, people always need a place to stay. People always need a roof over their head. Shelter never goes out of style. So if you own rental real estate, you're going to be highly sought after in times of a recession because people are going to need homes and places to lay their head, right? Now, the thing about real estate, like I said earlier, the cost of borrowing will continue to increase. You got to keep that in mind as well because interest rates are going to continue to go up. But in real estate, there's always going to be opportunities. So you want to always consider real estate in times of a recession. Again, not only for your primary residence, but especially to invest in for, say, rental property. Now, keep in mind, if you're considering real estate, there's some other things that you need to make sure you have in place, such as your credit. You want to make sure you have good credit or credit that's at least above 650, 660 and higher. And again, you also want to have some cash, right? Some of the lending can actually be sort of stringent. So you got to have some cash so you can have money down. I mean, for some type of special loans, 3%, 5% works well. But you really want to have 10%, maybe 15 or 20% down. The more money you have down, the better. And also the more money you have down on a piece of real estate, the more you hedge against a potential real estate market crash. When you put 10 or 20% down, you walk into a property with equity. And the more you put down, the more equity equity that you actually have. So you want to have some cash when you're considering buying some real estate. But again, you have that cash already because you're following what I said earlier about having some cash. And then of course you want to find the right property, you want to find the right location. So you want to do all those things, right, that you normally would do when you're buying real estate. But just keep in mind, guys, that during a recession is a wonderful time to actually own some real estate. It gives you that diversification of your portfolio, so you don't just have all your money in stocks, you have some of your money in another investment vehicle. Now, the sixth thing, I told you to stick around for number 6 too. The sixth thing is this, guys. You want to maybe consider starting a recession-proof type of business. Starting a business while the economy is down is ideal. And the reason it's ideal is because there's less competition, right? Most people are not thinking about starting a business when the economy is down or in the middle of a recession, right? You wouldn't believe how many successful businesses actually started during a downturn in the economy, during a recession. One of the reasons it's nice to actually start a business during a recession is because that once the recession turns around, you already got the ball rolling. You already got things going. You already got your business up and running. You've already developed and nurtured a client base that's going to follow you and continue to patronize your business when the economy turns around. So starting during a recession is not bad at all. Matter of fact, it's wonderful. The second thing to keep in mind about starting a business during a recession is that there's certain businesses, products and services that are recession proof. There's things that people need no matter what's going on with the economy. They need transportation. They need health care. They need food. There's tons of services and businesses that you could start during a recession that people need those products. People need those services. So hey guys, on this quick video, I wanted to give you 6 things that you can do to use this upcoming recession to your advantage and actually build some riches and build some wealth even though we're in a recession. Guys, if you got anything at all out of this video, smash that like button for me. And also share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, and also check out a few of these videos right here for more ways to build your wealth. Drop me a comment below. Let me know some other things that you can do during a recession to build some wealth. Guys, the best person to take care of the old you is the young you. Do me a favor, guys. Take care of yourself and take care of other people. Until the next video, peace.